Okay, so let me explain you this. Find the smallest number by which it must be divided. So I want to find a smallest number. So let my smallest number is x, which must be divided to make a perfect square. So 4050. I want to divide this 4050 by the smallest number. So what is this x? This x should be my smallest number. This is what I need to find. Okay, this is what I need to find. Okay, and how I have to divide? I have to divide by the smallest number, so that this number whatever I get, that should be the perfect square. That should be the perfect square. Okay, so what I'll do, I have to find the factors of 4050. Okay, I can divide this 4050 by 5 and by 2 also. I can divide by, but I will not going to divide by 2. I will not going to divide by 5. I will not going to divide by 10 also. Okay, by which number I will try to divide? I will try to divide by 2 square, and I will try to divide by 5 square. That's what I will try to do it. Okay, so I will going to apply the divisibility test of 4, and I will going to apply the divisibility test of 25. Okay, so I know that divisibility of 4 is what? If the last two digit is divisible by 4, then the entire number is divisible by 4. But I can see that 4050 is not divisible by 4. Why? Because 50 divided by 4 is not divisible by 4. So I will skip that. Instead of that, I will going to divide by 25. So I will going to divide by 25, and I will get 162. Okay, since here 162, I will going to divide by 2 again. I will get 81. So 4050 is what? The factors of this is 5 square, and then 9 square is 9 9 81, and this 2. So what remains here? Only 2 remains here. Is 5 square a perfect square? That is 25. Yes, it is a perfect square. Is 9 square is perfect square? Yes, 9 square is a perfect square. Is 2 is a perfect square? No, this is not the perfect square. So I have to divide by 2. Let's do how I am doing it here. Instead of 4050, I am writing this as 5 square into 9 square into 2. So I have to divide by 2. When I divide by 2, then only I will get what? I will get the perfect square. So my first answer is 2. This is the first answer. And what is the second answer? Also find the square root of the number so obtained. So when I divide this number, which number? 4050 by 2. When I divide 4050 by 2, what I will get? I will get 2025. And here the second question, it says also find the square root of the number so obtained. So I need to find the square root of the number, that is 2025 so obtained. So this answer will be what? Here this is 5 square and 9 square. So I can write this as 5 square into 9 square. Okay, which is nothing but 9 into 5. So 9 5s are 45. So second answer is 45. Now you have understood this or not understood?